Good morning. It is 6:45 a.m. in Fort Myers, Florida, and Dad and I have got our drones out. We're gonna do some droning this morning.
We're here.
We are here.
Bunchy Beach, Fort Myers.
Woo, Christmas morning.
Christmas morning.
Ah, yes, the family that drones together stays together. Oh my goodness. Droning on Christmas morning because they have nothing else to do.
Okay, ready for some cool stuff now?
Do you want me to videotape your drone or you?
It's okay, I feel, whatever. No, don't videotape the drone, it's too high.
Well, that was successful, Bailey.
Yeah, that was great.
You still make me, tell you, it's not honest. You make me nervous.
Mom, how did you like seeing both of us fly?
It was good, I just got cold.
Yeah, Fort Myers cold at 20 degrees.
Now we are heading home to open up presents and see Chloe.
Chloe's awake.
Is she?
She wondered where I was. Yeah.
Just rifling through all our gifts.
No.
You happy, Dad? I'm so glad we went.
Yep, we had a good day.
Yeah.
Now we'll go home and check out how good our film is.
Yeah. I'm sure it's great.
Oh,
Oh my God.
it's our new mascot.
Oh my gosh.
The new mascot.